Hello everyone, welcome to Fijian Investment Trader, known as Fijian Traders. This is Mr. Singh. Welcome. NIO, ticker symbol, NIO NIO. What a week we had. Up and down, but was steady. And I like it. Yes, folks, I do like it, and I'm going to tell you why I do like it. But before I talk on the technical side and fundamental side, I want key news I want to share with you guys. It's about me. Folks, I'm about to go on a vacation, business trip. So don't mark my calendar, but this is where I'm going, and I'm doing videos live from there, and it's from all the way to Hawaii Islands back in for 15 to 20th on the next week. Then I fly back. Then I go to Fiji Islands back home for a couple of days. Then coming back over here on 27th. So I will be doing stock analysis updates, limited but not super limited. It means that you have NIO stock coming 3 to 4 times, not frequently, on NIO stock. Views, camera, I'm going to turn on my cameras back for Hawaii and Fiji Islands. You can see where I'm at, and also ask me questions about those islands if you have any questions about those beautiful islands on Paradise. If you have any questions, do let me know, and I would love to share with you guys about those islands or anything if you're related to on the stocks too. All right, let's dive into fundamentals. Then we head out to the technical side. We know about NIO, right? It was 18% rose from 1.89% to $5.93 on Friday. As approved all-time mixed trading sessions, right? We know Dow Jones was down. NIO closed at $10.25 short of 52, high of $16.18, which the company achieved on August 4th. The trading volume is 25 million, remaining 42.9 million below the average. Yes, volume predict price, folks. We don't have that volume where we used to have NIO, but it's coming. It is coming, and I'm going to tell you why. Because the hedge funds, the big dogs, they're all waiting to see the breakout, right? And it is about to be breaking out very soon because the sector is shifting. How much? 4 months, or maybe about 3.5 months right now on EV sector, including XPeng, Tesla, Li Auto, NIO has been suffering a lot, right? So further ado, we're going to talk about a couple more things. I'm going to talk on the technical side. Why do I think it's going to be a breakout coming on? Well, nonetheless, I'm going to show you. I know most of you guys don't want to see this screen, but 5-day, we had this momentum, right? At least a 5-day, we had some green of 7.4%, but month to date, we're down by 17.29%, 3 months, 18.09%, and year to date, 34%, and 1 year, it's about 42.48%. Well, that's I know most of you guys are not happy about it. Well, options, right? Well, how are we looking at options? Because options I kind of give you a better idea too. A lot of call options on the call, a lot of options are on the call side, and compared to the put side, it kind of even when you see it at the price range, like about $6, $6.50. A lot of call options are around there. NIO is not a I'm new, not too new. NIO. I've been trading from 2018. I hold this stock for long, sold it, made some profit, sold it for loss, made some profit, sold it for loss, made some profit, and made some profit. And now I'm still investing on NIO because I know how it plays and how is the fundamental and the growth of the company. Buying at the right time, and this around at $4, $5, $6 is a discounted price. Folks, it is a discounted price, and NIO has so much fundamental and the growth down to the road. This company also has, got Abu Dhabi investment, right? And we know the corporate bank has got investment. We have 2 new CEO came in, which I was on my previous video, which is a sign of growth and development and change. Change is something the company has to adapt and move forward. If you are stubborn, if Lee William was stubborn, he would have not for the board of directors to welcome it in, but he is willing to accept help and make some changes because they need to have the operating costs low to operate those vehicles, to make those vehicles, right? Operating cost is a little higher, so that's why NIO is struggling with sustaining profit. Okay, my portfolio still stays the same, a little bit high. about 16,649 shares. I'm up about 1.3%. But that's not my goal, folks. That's not my goal, and I'm here over about $50 about for this stock. So, like I said, it is not my first rodeo. If things changes, yes, I will sell my shares, right? Because I don't want to have a come to a negative where I have to average down, but I have a plan behind it, right? But my target is $50. These are the portfolios on my account that I do videos and I do share it on this platform that I use. Tesla Marathon Digital has been booming right now. Something if you guys need to go check it out too. That's been booming. Has great momentum. Boeing is up and down. Still down 1.5%. And NIO I'm up and Plug is as well. But not to share to break my gun. Like I'm here that I do have negative on my portfolio too, right? So don't beat yourself up because things do change, right? Let's talk on the technical side, right? That is bread and butter. Let's talk about that. So 1 month, you can clearly see that I mentioned about the 60-day, which is my pink moving average. It's right up here and it's acting as a massive resistance. You can see that with time and time, we have got rejected, we got rejected, we got rejected. Now, it is sitting right on, we still are rejected after hours, sitting at right about $5.90. So very key, right? RSI got cooled off, MACD got some momentum, but guess what, folks? Volume predicts price. When we have volume up here, we need volume back over here, right? When volume comes in, and they will do, which will come, we need to have this purple line cross over the pink line, which is a confirmation for an uptrend. That's when then go back to the 6 months. This is the very important one, right? So 6 months on the 50-day, right? We can, sorry, I don't know why I'm saying 50 days, 60-day moving average. It's sitting right up here and it is right on the spot over here. RSI, right? Still have a momentum, and I like, RSI is right over here and it still has a lot of room to go all the way to 73.995. But we have a lot of room, right? The major resistance is going to be sitting around about $6.80, which is going to be this pink line. But before that is my resistance is sitting at $6.60. So $6.60 is the resistance to keep an eye and that. But it is trading and trading sideways. So which I like about it, because if you look at it, we've been trading right here like this, right? And we're going to have this breakout right up here and then come down back down here. And gonna trade excuse me, trading back over here and make the way up again like this, right? So this is the trend that I am gonna see, and we witness it is gonna happen, where it's gonna getting rejected at $16.60 first, and before touching and breaking that resistance level. Year to date, quick, I'm gonna show you with you guys quickly. Sorry folks, as you know that I'm going on vacation, you see I'm using a new my new gadgets, which I'm trying to get comfortable with that. But year to date, this is what I said is going to be an uptrend, because we have the green bars. That's, folks, that's what I like. We have the MACD cross over the purple line. It is showing an uptrend. And that's why I'm predicting it is going to be that, because time and time I've seen that. This is not my first rodeo with NIO or any other stock. I pay attention on the patterns, the charts, which made me a lot of gains, right? But also some losses too. But because if I was too stubborn to listen that, okay, it is gonna keep going high, we knowing that it is not the pattern, because sometimes the fundamentals and technical analysis do not match aligned, and that doesn't dictate that, right? Looking at Tesla right now is sitting at $193, where the stock was high up to $265 2 weeks ago. So NIO is the stock that is a gold mine stock. I love NIO because it has so much growth and potential to go head to head with Tesla down to the road with those expansion, and those investment has came to these to the company. So this is the pattern that, like I said, I've drawn it over here to see if it's going to be trending out this way. I'm kind of delete that too. But that was a king. But like I said, it has a crossover over here. Quickly go back to look at it 3 months before I let you guys go. Right over here, yeah, as mentioned, $6.28 right here. You can see another resistance sitting over here. But there's a big but. We have some green bars, folks. Look at these green bars coming up over here. We do have the MACD crossover. That's what I'm saying is going to be going to test of $6 and $7. Earnings is in March 21st. So something that is going to have really a momentum coming up and down towards NIO. NIO is an undervalued right now, underperformed stock. An underperformed stock right here. And that's not NIO issue supposed to be, right? I remember XPeng and NIO where NIO is always leading and XPeng was always behind, but this is the role has changed, right? Because of the operating cost is high and company needs more money to investment money in order to generate. NIO is not going bankrupt. It has a backup of a China government. It is not going, right? It has a $2.2 billion from Abu Dhabi. It is not going bankrupt. If people has a fear about that, it's becoming a penny stock. I don't have a fear of becoming a penny stock. So this is my fundamental, not a technical, not a financial advisor. This is how I look at it and invest on money on that. And it's seen on my portfolio. Hey folks, thank you for watching. I hope you guys had having a wonderful weekend. And I'm going to be doing a video on Monday to see where we at. Next video going to be on Wednesday and then so forth when I'm on my vacation. Like you see, I'm trying a new gadgets, new plan right now to see how everything plays out. But hope NIO makes that run. But I don't go. I hope because of the technical side, but I see what is going to be happening very soon with NIO. So buckle up, fasten your seatbelt, and enjoy the ride because it's going to be a wonderful ride with NIO. And stay positive. That's all you can do, and understand that this company has a fundamental and growth down to the road because they do have it. They do have it. Okay, so relax, just relax, folks. Enjoy because you have a plan when you want to buy and sell on NIO because you should be having. You're gonna see the gains. I'm not saying I'm perfect, but I've taken a couple times without not investing in the time and learning about the company and the fundamental side. And I know you guys have a plan. It's okay. NIO is going to be a $50 stock. It's just a matter of time. So buckle up. Thanks, folks.